Applying for an HDFC bank loan can be a straightforward process if you follow the steps outlined in this guide. First, determine the type of loan you need, such as a personal loan, home loan, or car loan, and check your eligibility on the HDFC Bank website. To apply, you will need to provide personal and financial documents, including your identity proof, address proof, and income proof. For salaried individuals, this typically includes your PAN card, Aadhaar card, and last 3 months' salary slips. For self-employed individuals, you will need to provide your business proof and last 2 years' income tax returns. Once you have gathered the necessary documents, you can apply for the loan online or by visiting an HDFC bank branch. To apply online, simply log in to the HDFC Bank website, select the loan type, and fill in the application form. You will need to upload the required documents and provide your contact information. After submitting your application, an HDFC Bank representative will contact you to discuss your loan options and guide you through the remaining process. This may include a credit check and verification of your documents. If your loan is approved, you will receive the loan amount in your account, and you can start repaying the loan as per the agreed upon terms. It is essential to read and understand the loan terms and conditions before applying, including the interest rate, repayment tenure, and any fees or charges associated with the loan. You can also use the HDFC Bank Loan Calculator to determine your monthly installment and plan your finances accordingly. By following these steps and providing the necessary documents, you can easily apply for an HDFC Bank loan and fulfill your financial needs. Remember to always check your eligibility and understand the loan terms before applying. And do not hesitate to contact HDFC Bank customer care if you have any questions or concerns.